Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Today, we are embarking on a magnificent journey through our explainer, the Tournament of Titans.
Let us dive right into this epic tale. Two great titans clash in the arena today. We are witnessing a battle between two brand new generations of language models. On the left stands the mighty Claude Fable 5. On the right, we have the agile GPT-5.6 Soul. Both of these grand laboratories claim to have forged the absolute best intelligence in the land. Well, we are going to settle this mighty dispute right here and now with one brutal test.
Section 1. Weapons and Armor. The Tale of the Tape.
Here we have Claude Fable 5, the wealthy prince, facing off against GPT-5.6 Soul, the Agile Warrior. You can think of Fable as a wealthy prince from the grand capital, built to ponder deep, difficult thoughts. Standing against him is Soul, a fast, highly economical warrior who manipulates the browser like a cunning Alyosha Popovich.
The sheer difference in their royal treasuries is absolutely fascinating. Consider the exact costs. Fable charges $10 just to enter the arena and a whopping $50 to exit. But the incredibly efficient Soul takes an entirely different path. Soul charges only $5 to enter and $30 to exit. This makes our Agile Warrior remarkably efficient for his magical feats.
The magic flows even deeper when we gaze into their minds. 1 million. Fable has a massive memory window of 1 million tokens. These are boundless expanses, stretching out wide like the ancient domain of Leshy. This grand scale completely dwarfs the memory of Soul, who commands a much smaller domain of 400,000 tokens.
This brilliantly illustrates their raw power. Consider the Sweetbench Pro test scores. Fable wins decisively in raw code and complex logic. He towers over his opponent with an 80% score in this rigorous testing. Meanwhile, Soul trails behind with a score of only 64%. The wealthy prince seems totally unbeatable in these dry academic tests.
Section 2. The Trial of Fire. The JavaScript Kebab Challenge.
Now this is the most complex magic of our digital Cyber-Rus. The constraints are truly unforgiving. They must write pure JavaScript execution, with absolutely no third-party libraries allowed to help them out. They have to render a rotating kebab over a hot flame, creating a perfect 8-second loop. They must calculate accurate physics for falling drops of fat and form a circular mandala of burns on the tray below. Weak neural networks simply break down on this deep test of fire and logic.
Section 3. The wealthy prince stumbles, a display of brute force failure.
He created a strange geometric cone. The catastrophic failure of Baba Yaga's task is clear for all to see. Fable's meat became unnatural. His majestic flame resembled nothing more than a string of glowing glass beads, and that beautiful mandala simply floated right off the screen. He grossly violated the strict physics instructions, only managing to achieve a somewhat decent texture for the meat itself.
Section 4. The Agile Warrior Triumphs. Optimization over power.
Strict laws of physics. Sor, on the other hand, faithfully completed the entire task. He perfectly executed the difficult illusion of rotation. He followed the strict laws of particle physics without a single moment of hesitation. His result is truly a magnificent feast for the eyes. The crucial point is how incredibly accurately Soul rendered this magic. He created a realistic gas heater flame, complete with a perfect blue base and a striking orange top. The drops of fat fall exactly according to the strict laws of physics, cooling perfectly in mid-flight. A clear radial gradient forms on the tray below, where the center is white-hot, fading beautifully to dark red at the edges. This proves without a doubt that this model is built for quick, precise decisions and deep, fundamental understanding.
Section 5. Dawn of Free Magic. Sovereign AI for all.
Optimization is more important than brute force. This is the ultimate truth of the arena. This agile hero proved that efficiency and autonomous tools will always triumph over raw, expensive power. Our sovereign intelligence is getting smarter every single day. The tools are becoming sharper and far more precise than we ever dreamed.
An era of freedom awaits us. Sovereign artificial intelligence will soon become accessible to absolutely everyone. We are breaking down the closed magic of those powerful corporations. New technologies will inevitably shatter the old barriers. This new dawn will usher in a golden age of creativity and widespread prosperity for us all.
Why want to deliver a deep gratitude to our channel's sponsors? Please continue your support so we can explore this wonderful magic together. Many more grand discoveries await us on this epic journey. The magic is in your hands now. What role will you play in the new digital Cyber-Rus?